3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन हम लेकर आए हैं, टाइम कम है इसलिए हम इनके आंसर नहीं करा पाएंगे, सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आपको बता रहे हैं, आप इसको थोड़ा सा तैयार कर लीजिए। स्टेट द प्रॉपर्टी यूटिलाइज इन द फॉलोइंग। ग्रेफाइट इन मेकिंग इलेक्ट्रोड्स, इलेक्ट्रिक wires are coated with polyvinyl chloride PVC or rubber like material. Metals alloys are used for making bells and strings of music instrument, and ore in treatment with dilute hydrochloric acid produces brisk effectiveness. What kind of ore is this? What step will be required to obtain metal from the enriched ore? Copper coin is kept immersed in silver nitrate solution for some time. What will happen to the coin and the color of the solution? Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Next question is, in the electrolysis of water, name the gas collected at the cathode and anode respectively. Why is volume of gas collected at one electrode double than that of the other? Name this gas. How will you test this gas? Differentiate between the photosynthesis and respiration. And the next one is the how is oxygen or carbon dioxide exchange between blood and tissue? How are the gases transported in human being? What is hemoglobin? Give schematic representation of different pathways of breakdown of glucose molecule. There is the second one is the what is the fate of glucose molecule in our anaerobic respiration, yeast and lactobacillus bacteria. B, aerobic respiration, human cell. Write chemical equation for each type. What is DNA copying? State it is important. Give reason for the following. Traits acquired during lifetime of an individual are not inherited. क्वेश्चन 7 है, सॉरी 9 पढ़ रहे थे हम। ऑल द ह्यूमन बींग्स बिलोंग टू अ सिंगल स्पीशीज। सी, वेरिएशन कीप ऑन एक्यूमुलेटेड ड्यूरिंग रिप्रोडक्शन एंड डू नॉट डिसअपियर इन नेक्स्ट जनरेशन। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मिस हो रहा है। 10th, it is the matter of chance whether a couple will have a male or female child. Justify this statement by drawing a flow chart. Name the type of mirrors used in the design of solar furnaces. Explain how high temperature is achieved by this device. List two properties of the images found by convex mirror. Draw any diagram in support of your answer. The linear magnification produced by a spherical mirror is +3. Analyze this value and state the type of mirror and position of the object and respect to the pole of the mirror. Draw ray diagram to show the formation of image. In this case, the linear magnification produced by a spherical mirror is 1/3. Analyzing this value, state the type of mirror and the position of the object with respect to the pole of the mirror. Draw any diagram to justify your answer. Draw ray diagram for the following cases when a ray of light passing through center of curvature of a concave mirror is incident on it. Parallel to perspective axis is incident on convex mirror is passing through focus of a concave mirror incident on it. Calculate the resistivity of the material of a wire length 1 cm, radius 0.01 cm and the resistance is 20 ohms. Show how would you join 3 resistors, each resistance of 9 ohm, so that the equivalent resistance of the combination is 13.5 ohm and 6 ohm. Explain the use of electric fuse. What type of material is used for the fuse wire? And why two lamps, one rated 100 watt 220 volt and the other 60 watt 220 volt are connected in the parallel to the electric main supply? Find the current drawn by the two bulbs from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt. Name the hormones secreted by the following endocrine glands. Specify one function of each. Thyroid, pituitary, pancreas. Give reason. Pituitary is often termed as master endocrine gland. Pancreas helps in digestion and also regulate the blood sugar level. And adults are known as the glands of emergency. Give the function of the following plant hormone: ऑक्सिन, जिब्रेलिन, साइटोकाइनिन, एबिसिक एसिड और इथाइलिन। तो फ्रेंड, ये थे 3 नंबर के जो मोस्ट रिपीटेड CBSE क्वेश्चन है। थैंक यू वेरी मच टू वॉच द फुल वीडियो।